Morning everyone, it's 17th of January, Czech Republic. I didn't think we were going to get the snow this year, but it's here. The Massey's been parked in the drive since well before Christmas. We're waiting for parts for a bit of winter servicing. We're waiting for a new windscreen wiper switch, and we're waiting for parts for a brake cylinder. But as we've got so much snow, I've decided if she'll start, we'll fire her up and put her back in the shed. So, let's see if she wants it. A little bit of heat. Okay, come on, honey. There you go. -5, runs like a clock. Exhaust is loose because the bonnet's not bolted down because we need to get access to put the brake master cylinder back in. But there you go. 35 years not out.